trailer natin. But before that, let's have them greet everyone first. Siguro si Janela. Kami have, yeah. Janela, please greet everyone.
Good afternoon po everyone. Thank you for coming here to spend your time with us. I'm so honored na nandito kayo lahat. Ang dami-dami po natin. Oh my G! Ayan.
Si Manolo and Marlo. Please greet everyone.
Good afternoon po. Thank you po for coming today.
Hi, good afternoon po. Salamat po sa pagpunta yun. Ako, abangan niyo po. Oh my G, malapit na.
Sa energy ng mga boys.
Yes!
Miss Janice de Belen, napayat-payat ngayon.
Jesus. Hello everybody, Happy New Year, and it's nice to see familiar faces as usual.
Payat talaga. Mamaya kung kwento mo sa amin ng secret. Sir John, Arcelia? Ayan.
Sir John.
Alright, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat and thank you for coming. Sana po ay bantayan niyo ang Oh My G.
Wow, babantayan natin yan. Sir Dominic. Ayan Sir, hindi Tito ha. Hindi Tito.
Good afternoon everyone. Happy New Year. Here.
Ayan.
Good afternoon po. Thank you for coming. And abangan niyo po, January 19, malapit na next week. Next Monday. Oh my G.
Si Kazel naman. Kazel? Hi, it's nice to see you.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po sa pagpunta ngayon. At ayun, nasabi din na nila lahat. Abangan po yun yung Oh My G this coming January 19 na.
Si Edgar naman, dito sa likod. Ayan.
Good afternoon mga kapamilya. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga press people na nandito ngayon. Ayan.
And si Direk, of course, Direk Ronnie. Ang director po ng Pure Love. Si Direk Ronnie po ang director ng Pure Love and now she's in charge of Oh My G.
Good morning everyone. It's nice that we're all here together. Malapit na, oh my G, malapit na rin kami matapos mag-pilot. So abangan, January 19.
Thank you, Direk. Para magkaroon tayo ng idea what Oh My G is all about, panoorin po natin to.
Oh My G is hashtag life change.
Hashtag faith nowadays.
Hashtag socially relevant. Hashtag responsibility.
Hashtag inspiring.
Hashtag YOLO. Only one Oh my G. Hashtag cool.
Amazing.
Rock and roll. Teenage life.
Endure na. Don't miss.
OMG is a very light drama, romance, and at the same time, I can say that it's also inspirational.
Hindi lang siya pang teens, hindi lang siya pang bata. Pang lahat ng Pinoy kasi very spiritual.
It's a different concept New siya, medyo bata yung approach. So syempre masaya maging partner.
Maski ako nung una kong nabasa yung script, sabi ko talaga, wow, this is so new. You see your relationship with God through social media.
Starring Janela Salvador,
Yung character ko is Sophie Cepeda and her life really did change. When her parents died, she learned how to be independent and natuto siyang maging strong. Sobrang honored ako na sa akin binigay yung role ng Oh My G. Yung mga Carmelites ay lumapit kay Ma'am Chara talaga. They asked for a show for Saint Teresa of Avila and I'm just so overwhelmed na ako yung napili